me, one of my favorite things so far with coming to PlanetNix has been the community. I think that every single room, every single session has been full of just very passionate, very warm and welcoming people. And whether they're very new to Nix, whether they're experienced, whether they're like data engineers, security people, like traditional software engineers or operations folks, everyone has just been so like warm and welcoming. And I think we have that like early kind of like tech conference vibe where like it feels like everyone just wants to solve problems together.
Yep.
What have you found have been some of like your favorite things with interacting with the community here?
So I think like the community here and just the Nix community in general is one of the most passionate communities of any open source software project. And it really shows, and you can tell here, there's so many people that are here purely just for Nix, and they love building with it and they love using it in ways that you just wouldn't even dream of when you think it's just a package manager, but it's actually much more than that.
For me, it's probably how much people are willing to help each other. So I came last year and like I taught people how to like actually get into Flakes. I'd also like see what else somebody else is doing and like learn how to implement those things, either how they do it or like inspire me to do my own way of doing things. It's amazing how many different possibilities and things you can learn just from talking with people.
And could you share with me one of your favorite moments from PlanetNix 2026?
So there's been a lot of good moments in PlanetNix 2026, but I think one of my favorite ones was, actually there's two talks I really enjoyed. One about getting Nix to work on the DGX Spark, which I almost went and pulled the trigger, but fortunately my bank account is glad I didn't. And the second talk was about using Nix as an HTTP web server, which was really cool, yeah.
One that sticks out for me was probably the Nix text driver and how you can like set all these tests up and you run them. So the nodes, they run like under 6 seconds. You can do like interactive tests with them, and even like if you switch to containers, it's like 2 seconds. And it's just like, it's fascinating that all these things can happen so fast and the tests are done.